Where are you going?
On the flip, you will know, but it's imperative that I go. Everybody, welcome to my video again. It's original Country Boy, and today what will I be doing? Today, I guess you can call me Cupid Country, cause I will be dedicating this video to love. So I will get creative and I will make a heart inside my yard and decorate it as well. So on the flip, everybody prepare to see Country Boy get creative. Oh, and if you're still curious about where it is imperative that I go, you have to stay tuned and you will find out. Okie dokie peeps, so yeah, like I said, I will be building a heart and dedicating it to love in the yard. So yeah, the first thing I need to know is I need to get my tools as usual. So I'm gonna get me a cutlass, a shovel, yeah, and I think that should be about it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna pick a location in the yard. So y'all help me. Do you think I should do it there? Do you think I should do it there? Or do you think I should do it here? Tick tock, what do you think? Oh, I pick here. So yeah peeps, actually I had made a little heart in the yard already before, so I'm just gonna like make it right here and beautify it, and you're gonna see how that's gonna turn out. Ha. Alright peeps, you can see, can definitely see, so may I get somewhere, yeah, heart, I come to something nice, you understand, yeah, I start to look nice, I mean. Alright, so peeps, the next phase for the heart now is decoration phase. Hey! So peeps, we're gonna find all kind of pretty flower all over the place. We're gonna put them in our bucket and then we're gonna come over here and decorate. everybody. I hope you enjoy watching me make this beautiful heart right here. Dedicating it to all the lovers out there, you know. Yeah, all the lovers out there. Dedicating this to y'all, okay? Yeah, man. So, now that I finished with the heart peeps, y'all get to see where I was going on the flip.
Sophie! Compound! No, Pop Molly your name now, my friend. Pop Molly. Mika! You understand? I family this, you see it? You don't even know where birthday boy there, but big up, you know? Yeah, man. Something about the place in there. So you don't know, so we are celebrate a birthday setting, you see it? You understand? They are all a vibe right now, you see me? Yeah, with the clan. Why not that, you? Why not that? Same thing like everybody, no? Oh, yeah, me. On the fork here, but nothing wrong with that. You understand? Go in there with your hand. So that there with the hand. Alright peeps, so you don't know, so we're doing it and so we just start video again. Don't know, big up Bobs! Hey! So dog now play happy birthday, man! Yeah! Yeah, man, bless the cake right now. I don't know. Happy birthday to my friend.
Yeah, man, each and everyone have a good reach out to everyone, yeah? Happy birthday to Foot and the Blessed, you know? Yeah, man. Good to be gathered here, you know? Yeah, man, so we are giving a bless to the Foot. Give a bless to the Foot, you see it? Well done, man, yeah, man. And the big general, man, and the lady, Miss Anne, huh? Brianna. Oh, Miss Anna, Foot and Anne.
Yeah, bless up, bless Foot and Anne.
Happy birthday, people, tell them.
Happy birthday, my brethren! Big up yourself, man. Don't know, Kountry Boi representing. Day to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Futsa, happy birthday to you, you now, oh old are you now, oh old are you. Yes, Rasta. Yeah, man. Cut.
I don't think to blow, you know? I just cut out, you know?
Oh, yeah. What? You killing them, not depend that.
Yeah, man, you have it, man.
You killing them, not depend. Yeah! He kill it then or the pan no blowing. Alright. Leg of the bird. Leg of the bird, my friend. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, mom. That easy, you know. Don't know a thing, man. Oh, you mean? So you don't know we don't play when it's our friend's birthday? Ota. Yeah, anything you want. Anything you want, my friend. Yeah. Anything you want. Yeah, but we catch him. Leg on the bird, I am bird. Leg on the bird, my friend. You think we are ramp? Leg on the bird out here. You don't know. Definitely footer.
Everyday life, you reach here, some of us want to know.
Real, no real. Real, no real, yo.
Definitely. Pull it. Pull it, my friend. Pull it.
Hold on for this.
Alright, man. On the flip, you don't know with the sign out.
Yeah, good when I shut them up and say.
On the flip, we are sign out.
Alrighty peeps, so thank you for watching, and yeah man, that was a loud and late party. Celebrating my brethren's birthday, you know man, it was a beautiful thing, and I hope you enjoyed the little clippings of it. I hope you enjoyed this entire video. So to everybody out there, Stupid Country is signing out, and I can say thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and